Next one is problem number 1. Let me start. Sine of, find the sine plus or minus, sine of the following, whether it is plus or minus. Cos of, so far I have taken angle, you can subtract them from 360 only, no? Let me take minus 400, what you are doing? If you subtract this from 360, it is not possible, because the angle is greater than 360. We have written in the formula, you have to subtract the angle, modulus of the angle, from the nearest multiple of 360, greater than this, otherwise it is not possible. So here, don't subtract this 400 from 360. Next number is 720. Subtract it. 720. If it is still more than 720, subtract it from 1080. That's all. You need not subtract always from 360 only. It depends upon the number given. If it is less than 360, it is enough. If it is more than 360, 720. If it is more than 720, 1080, like that. So here, cos of 320 degree. 320 degree. This is fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Even though the angle is greater or less than 360, minus 360, then also you can find the sine of that function. Second one, tan minus 1536. Any angle, magnitude modulus of that angle is greater than 360, greater than 720, greater than 1080. But anyway, what you have to do is, you have to subtract this angle. Subtract the angle from the nearest multiple of 360 greater than this, that's all. Nearest multiple of 360 greater than this. 1080 not enough. 1440 not enough. 1440, 1800 is the required one. Correct, no? 360, 720, 1080 plus 360 plus 360. Yes, 1800 is the nearest multiple of 360 greater than this. Now the angle is tan of 4 degree, 10 minus 6, 9 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 264 is third quadrant, less than 270, tan is positive. I think now you got the idea clear. Whatever may be the magnitude of the given angle, modulus of that, find another angle multiple of 360 greater than the modulus of the given angle. Subtract it. You get particular angle always less than 360. If it is less than 360, you know how to find the sine of that angle. Plus, minus, like that. In order to make it, let me write a third example, so that we have 3 examples. Let me take a secant now. Secant of angle negative, 1000 degree. 1000 degree. Secant angle greater than this 1000, but multiple of 360. We have seen here 1080 degree. Subtraction will give you only 80 degree. First quadrant, all are positive. Finish. Clear, no? No doubt. Take some more examples, try to work out yourself, you will get the answer. Some more examples will be done in the exercise problem, remember, because here I have taken only degree angles. They may give you the radians also. If you straight away can't find the sine, you must convert the given radian into degree, then you decide. One and the same, whatever be. Here I have given only degrees. In the exercise problem, let me take radian also. Now, one more thing is negative angle. Just see here. Angle is theta. Angle is theta. Opposite side, this one is adjacent side, OM. Let me call it as X. PM, let it be Y now. Right? Now, if I take minus theta, same quantity theta here, but in the opposite direction, complete the triangle. I have taken angle minus, that's all. Magnitude of both angles are the same. Now, same side X, PM is Y, but P dash M is below, so you have to take sign convention minus Y. This is, however, radius remains always positive. Now, from the figure, write sin theta cos theta. Here, let me take one particular side heading, trigonometric ratios of minus theta. Trigonometric ratios of minus theta. Let me include that. Now, consider a circle of radius R. Let OM or POM equal to theta. PM is perpendicular on x-axis. O is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Sin theta from the figure. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Equal to y divided by r, where PM equal to y, OM equal to x, OP equal to r. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, x divided by r. Tan theta equal to adjacent, opposite side by adjacent side, y divided by x. Shall I write it remaining three? Just a reciprocal. Cosecant theta, r by y. Secant theta, reciprocal of cos, r by x. Cot theta, adjacent side by opposite, x by y. Correct, no? These are the trigonometric ratios of theta. From the figure you have written. Now actually I have written the side heading as the trigonometric ratio of minus theta, you want that. You can observe the triangle OP dash, draw it correctly. Let angle P dash OM equal to theta or minus theta. And P dash M equal to minus Y. Next, OM as it is, OM equal to X, no change. OP dash equal to once again radius R. See, just to see the figure. Right? From the triangle OP dash M, write one by one. Sine of minus theta, careful. What is sine of minus theta? Or let me write on the right hand side, lot of space is here. Sine of minus theta. Minus theta means this angle, see, I have shown here, but actually this angle is minus theta. Sine of minus theta is, where should show that one? Minus theta. Yes. Sine of that means opposite side, P dash M by hypotenuse OP dash, which is equal to P dash M. P dash M is minus Y by OP dash is R, but minus of Y by R, remove minus sign outside, minus of Y by R we know already, see, Y by R is sin theta. Again go back to this relation between trigonometry ratio of theta and minus theta I am writing here. Sine of minus theta is minus sin theta, see. Cos of minus theta adjacent side OM itself, hypotenuse once again OP dash, OM is X, OP dash is R, X by R with respect to theta is cos theta itself, no change. So cos of minus theta and cos theta are same, but sin of minus theta is minus of sin theta. Let me continue. Tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta is minus theta adjacent side is, opposite side is P dash M, adjacent side OM. P dash M is minus Y by X, or it is minus Y by X, which is minus Y by X is tan theta. Tan theta. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Remaining thing let me write straight away, you can try at home. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Secant of minus theta is secant theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. This is the relation between trigonometry ratio of theta and minus theta. Relation between trigonometry ratio of theta and minus theta. Right? Why this one is discussed here? Just to go back to the example, this one. Find sine of the following. See, when the negative angle, we have used one particular method, subtracting it from the nearest multiple of 360, then deciding the sine. Using this one also you can decide the sine. For example, see, sine of minus, if I given the same example, you could have written that one itself, no problem. 169 degree. Don't confuse with the methods. First method already you know, subtracting this from 360, obtaining the angle, then deciding the sign of that. Second method, just see here, I am using this one. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So let me write this one as minus sine 169. Whichever easy, you can use the method, no problem. In order to find sine of the negative angles, I am doing one more method. Sine of minus theta is a minus sine theta. Sine, second quadrant, 169 second quadrant. Sine is a positive, so plus. Sine of 169, which quadrant? Second quadrant, no, less than 180. Sine is a positive in that quadrant. So total it is negative over this one. You need not subtract it from 360 or nothing. Or if you want to tally with this previous method, there I told you to subtract the given angle 169 from 360. You are getting 10 minus 9, 1, 5, 9, correct no? 5 minus 6, 15 minus 6, 9. 191 actual angle. 191 which quadrant? More than 180, third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative. So totally you are getting the same answer. Whichever may be the method, answer will be the same. That is why I did this also. If you find this method is easier, you can use that. Let me have 2 or 3 examples of the same type so that the idea will be clear. Cos of minus 286. Totally you have to write the sign of the function, whether it is plus or minus. Cos of minus theta, what you got? See, cos of minus theta is cos theta. So, cos of minus theta, you need not bother about the sign there. 286. Why? According to this formula. Cos of minus theta and cos theta same. But sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. There you have to use sin of minus theta minus of that one. Here same. But you know 286 comes in the last quadrant, fourth, where cos is positive. Over, see, finish. 2 methods we have. First method, subtraction. If you find it is a little difficult, leave it, no problem. This method can be used. If you have any complication, doubt here, use the previous method. Final answer will be the same, remember. Let me take third one. Tan of minus angle greater, this one, 800. Tan of minus 800. Tan of minus theta, go back to the formula list here. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So let me write that one first. Minus tan 800. Minus tan 800 comes in the first quadrant. How you got that? Let me write one more step if you want. 720 plus 80. Correct, no? After completing 2 rotations, it is 80. So it is equal to minus, forget 720, tan of 80 only. Tan 80, first quadrant positive, minus of positive. Total it is negative. Trigonometric ratio of any angle, any magnitude angle. Less than 360, there is no problem at all. If it is more than 360, we know the method. If it is less than or negative, then we have 2 methods. Subtraction method and using minus theta formula, we can find the sign of the function. Sign of the trigonometric ratios. Clearly understood, no? Next one. If you feel the example is not enough, let me write sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Secant of minus theta is secant theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Let me have one more example. Sine, cos, tan you have already written. No? Secant of minus 925 degree. Minus 925 degree equal to secant of minus theta is secant theta. Straight away write secant 925. This one is greater than 720. Method is 720 plus 5, 0, 205. 720 plus 205 is 925. Forget this 720. Secant of 205. Quadrant number third greater than 180, less than 270, where secant is negative. Using this formula. And the last problem, under that, secant over cosecant. Fifth one, cosecant of minus 1040 degree. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. First step is minus cosecant theta. Minus cosecant. This is more than 720. $320. 1040 can be written as 720 plus 320. Forget this 720. Minus cosecant of 320 only. 320 comes in the last quadrant, fourth, where cosecant is minus. So minus of minus becomes plus. Cosecant 320, last quadrant, in which cosecant is negative. Cosecant 320 is negative. So minus of minus becomes plus. Deciding the sign of the trigonometric ratios.